The internet and social media have been ablaze with information and chit-chat about a new artificial intelligence technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and ultimately live. What is this AI technology? How does it work? And what exactly can we do about it? Stay tuned to find out. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Class in the Cloud. I'm Teacher Sunny, bringing you news from the ESL industry. If you're new here, please remember to leave a comment. I'd love to connect with you. And while you're there, remember to like, share, and subscribe. ChatGPT, Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a powerful artificial intelligence-driven multi-language chatbot that has been developed by OpenAI with the backing of Microsoft, Google, Meta, Elon Musk, and the like. First released in 2021, with further updates in 2022 and 2023, this powerful AI chatbot has been trained to produce responses on any topic on the internet prior to 2021, based on the request of the user, and it can do this in over 50 languages. It allows its user to have an almost human-like conversation with the chatbot, hence the name ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you will know more about what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how you, as an educator, can leverage this AI technology to your advantage. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So how does this artificial intelligence chatbot work? Well, in layman's terms, this chatbot uses advanced natural language processing algorithms to enable the user to have a natural, fluid, and even human-like conversation with a chatbot. Any question or prompt will trigger a response from the chatbot real-time within seconds based on the question prompt that the user has given. And it can do so in over 50 languages. Furthermore, it can do so in a written or voice format, which is incredible because you can have a human-like conversation with the chatbot in any language or any accent of your choice, and it will respond within seconds. It even has the ability to improve on its initial responses, and you can layer your requests to ask for more information or better examples. As mentioned, ChatGPT has read the entire internet prior to 2021. So it has all that information, which is now literally at your fingertips. ChatGPT software has the ability to remember what you've asked and improve on its own responses based on your request. It has the ability to answer any question, write an essay on any topic prior to 2021, outline a report, outline a presentation, set up quizzes, just about anything you can imagine. It is truly technological revolution. As exciting as this may seem, and it is really exciting, there is a big elephant in the room. The big fat question. Are our jobs at risk? Are we as teachers, especially online teachers, going to become redundant? The answer is complicated. And yes, we may, no, we may not. It depends on how you look at it. The fact remains, OpenAI ChatGPT takes seconds to complete a task that the average human might take hours to do. And it can do so on the spot, for free. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't complain, and it doesn't get sick. Scary thing is, as I mentioned earlier, is that ChatGPT can have a voice conversation with the user Based on your voice prompt, it will respond appropriately and in any language or accent of your choice. And it can even correct your language. Now that to me is scary, but it's important to remember ChatGPT is not a magic wand. It is a powerful artificial intelligence tool. Incredible technology. However, it does have its limitations. Any response given by the chatbot still needs to be cross-checked and reviewed because the answers can still be out of date, incorrect, nonsensical, biased, based on how much or how little information was given in the initial prompt. There is obviously also a great divide between what the paid and non-paid versions can and cannot do. So my last question, what exactly can we do about this? Well, ChatGPT and other AI technologies like it is not going to go away. They are here to stay, and they will keep on learning, keep on improving, and get better. And sooner than later, these AI chatbots will be able to do many tasks better than the average human. So inevitably, this raises the standard of what we expect average persons to do. So should you be worried? Well, yes and no. I think the average teacher has reason to be concerned, but the educators who embrace this technology, who use it to their advantage, who choose to grow with this revolution, will find the future more exciting than not. This technology can do the mundane, time-consuming tasks that teachers always have to do, like setting up quizzes, making worksheets, writing a report activity, summarizing a book, leaving teachers with more time to engage and connect with your students, and ultimately more time with our families. So my advice is, don't fight it, work with it, leverage it to your own advantage to become better at what you do. So what are my final thoughts as an online English teacher about AI chatbot technology? I think it's revolutionary. I think it's an incredibly powerful tool to use to our advantage. It's not going to go away. It's only going to become smarter and better. So why not use it to become better at what I do? AI technology is not going to make our jobs redundant. It's going to help us become better at what we do. It's not going to rob students' abilities to learn, communicate, create, observe. It's going to challenge them to think in different ways by taking away the redundant and the time-consuming factors of learning and teaching. It's important to remember that humans have the unique ability to combine skills and knowledge in creative and beautiful ways. The skills we learn in the classroom and in life still remain relevant, and the human element still remains important. And that's a wrap on my thoughts on OpenAI ChatGPT. If you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Teacher Simi. This is Class in the Cloud. Till next time, goodbye.